Samsung is in the process of organizing certification for its three next flagship phones, the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The Standard and Plus variants were recently discovered on the FCC database, revealing the batter stats. In terms of size and heaviness, the FCC database often lacks specifics. However, the TINA database displays a pretty thorough and almost full specification sheet for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra weighs 233 grams and measures 163.4 by 78.1 by 8.9 millimeters. The display measures 6.8 inches and has a resolution of 1440 by 3088 px with a nearly 19.3 to 9 aspect ratio. These figures exactly correlate with the current selling Galaxy S22 Ultra. In terms of energy, the most recent Samsung Ultra phone sports a 4855 mAh battery, which is often rated and sold as 5000 mAh. The charging rate or plug type were not specified in the database, however supposition estimates 45 watts of power supply on board. According to TINA and other prior claims, the Galaxy S23 series CPU has three clock rates in the architecture: 3.36 GHz, 2.8 GHz, and 2.0 GHz for the overclocked form of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Society. The GPU has an overclocked rate also, but there is no mention of it on TINA. The chipset intended to combine with 8GB 12GB of RAM, and 256GB 512GB and 1TB storage. Satellite communication support is being developed for the S23 Ultra, although it has yet to be seen on TINA. Perhaps competing with Apple's SOS satellite emergency service, the term electronic commerce refers to the sale of electronic goods. The S23 series will most likely be unveiled during the forthcoming Samsung Unpacked event in the first week of February. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G is packed with a slew of high-end features that will be useful for both personal and business purposes. You may rely on the smartphone with excellent graphics. The advanced camera has an outstanding battery architecture and a robust CPU design. It is also a water and dust-resistant smartphone with an optical fingerprint sensor on the screen. The Galaxy S23 Ultra has a main camera with 200 megapixels, a secondary camera with 12 megapixels, a telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a secondary camera with 10x optical zoom. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.